Hello viewers, we are back with the eMachines computer. I have rigged a new power supply in place and it does appear to be working properly now. So I'm going to turn it on here, and last time I powered it on it didn't select the boot device, so I'm going to see if we can get into the BIOS here. I'll do an F10, or not the BIOS, the boot menu. Okay. This monitor is not the greatest. There's definitely something very wrong with this monitor. Well, I guess this monitor will just be for testing purposes only. Well, the hard drive is connected via ribbon cables. I don't feel the drive spinning. Maybe I do. I can't really tell. It's possible that the IDE cables are not configured correctly. If I could get into the daggone BIOS, we could check. It's like it's not recognizing my keyboard. Okay. Let's pull the drive out. Let's see here. Looks like this whole chassis is going to pull right out. It's kind of convenient. Let's see what kind of drive this is. It looks like it's going to be a Seagate. I was never too fond of those. Now that it's out, let's see if I can tell if it's spinning up or not. Yeah, it just spun out. Whoops. I don't hear it seeking at all. I'd really like to go into the BIOS. I don't know why that's so much to ask for. We may have to get a different keyboard. Although this keyboard, I believe, works. I don't know why it's not wanting to recognize the keyboard. Yeah, the caps lock is on the keyboard. Not the caps light, the num-lock light is on, so I know the keyboard's powered up. Let's try a different port. This is flaky now, having that all over the place. Yeah, it's not going to take it. Okay, well that's very irritating. We're gonna have to I'm gonna try a different keyboard. Here's a PS2 keyboard. Let's see if this one's going to cooperate. I can't tell which. I don't think it really matters, but I can't tell if I'm even plugging this into the mouse or keyboard port. Okay. Yeah, that hard drive is definitely spinning up. F2, F2, F2. Okay, we got keyboard lights. F2, 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 F2. Yeah, it's just completely ignoring the presence of the keyboard. Let's try the other ports. F2. That didn't sound too good. F2, F2, F2. Still have no keyboard lights. Okay, so I'm going to say the other port's probably the keyboard port. Let's get rid of this drive entirely. Let's just take this out of the picture. Oh man, that's stuck in there. Okay, it's still not cooperating. Well, I'm going to have to fight with this off video because there's no point in... This isn't very interesting. So I'll fight with this off video and see what I can come up with.